Hello everyone. Children, yesterday I told you to discuss with you today the topic subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. So first I will tell you about the subsidiary alliance. What is subsidiary alliance? ये तो हम सब जानते हैं that the Britishers are very clever and it proves that they came in our country for only trading purpose, but they made all of us their slaves and ruled over us. So what was this? This was their shrewdness, this was their cleverness. The kings, the rulers which gave them authority to do trade in country, उनके साथ उनके बहुत अच्छे से रिलेशंस रहे. इवन देन वो रिलेशन इतने अच्छे भी नहीं बनाए उन्होंने कि वो अपनी मतलब कहीं से उनका लॉस होता. और जिन रूलर्स ने उनकी डिमांड्स को नहीं माना, नेवर एंडिंग डिमांड्स को नहीं माना, उनको रूलर्स को उन्होंने या तो स्लेव बना लिया या फिर उनको किल कर दिया. सो इट प्रूव्स दैट ब्रिटिशर्स वर वेरी slave. This is the subsidiary alliance is one more example of the Britishers' cleverness. Okay, now what is this subsidiary alliance? Look at the board. Subsidiary alliance is an indirect method of annexation. It was started by Governor General Lord Wellesley. Who started it? It was started by Governor General Lord Wellesley. And what's the motive of subsidiary alliance? It was a very clever method to expand its territory. British wanted to rule all over the country. ठीक है? So what they did? First they ruled over a small part. After that they extended it slowly. In the subsidiary alliance, what they did? They promised Indians to take care of their states. They promised Indians to look after their states, to stationing their states, and in return the Indians had to pay some payments. In case the Indians were failed to pay to give them payments, तो वो क्या करते थे? उनकी टेरिटरी को अपना बना लेते थे और इन दिस वे उनका जो थोड़ा रूल उनकी जो एरिया होता था वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता था. है ना ये क्लेवरनेस? कि पहले मैंने आपसे कहा कि ठीक है मैं आपको ये दूंगी बट इन रिटर्न आई वांट दिस, और मैंने आपसे वही चीज़ डिमांड की जो मुझे मालूम है कि आप नहीं दे पाएंगे. ठीक है, क्या हुआ? मैंने आपका काम किया बट आई न्यू इट दैट यू आर नॉट केपेबल टू गिव मी द रिटर्न सेम एज, एंड जब आप मुझे रिटर्न नहीं दे पाए तो मैंने आपकी वो चीज़ अपने पास रख ली. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द subsidiary alliance, the indirect method of annexation, and was a very clever method of overruling the territory or expanding the territory by which Britishers expanded their empire. Children, doctrine of lapse, the another indirect method of annexation, or we can say another method of cleverness of Britishers. Okay, Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General from 1848 to 56. He introduced the new scheme for indirect annexation. Subsidiary alliance में क्या होता था? They assured the Indians to look after their states and want some payment in their return, and if the Indians were not able to give the return, they took over their territories. And in doctrine of lapse, Lord Dalhousie ने क्या किया? Look, according to this policy, if an Indian ruler died without a male heir, means if an Indian ruler died and if that king has not any successor, male successor, female अगर उसके बेटी है that is okay, ठीक है, लेकिन मेल सक्सेसर नहीं है, हायर मीन्स उसका कोई उत्तराधिकारी हायर नहीं है, तो दैट किंगडम वॉज टेकन ओवर बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. मतलब ब्रिटिशर्स की आप क्लेवरनेस देखिए. अब अगर होगा भी, मान लीजिए है भी उसका कोई हायर सक्सेसर है भी, तो क्या कहते हैं उसको किल कर देते हैं या कुछ कर देते हैं. मतलब by fair or by foul means. The Britishers wanted their own benefit. Okay, now look, according to this, if an Indian ruler died without a male heir, his kingdom would lapse. Lapse means खत्म हो जाएगा. अगर उसका कोई मेल हायर नहीं है, मेल सक्सेसर नहीं है, तो his kingdom will totally destroy, खत्म हो जाएगा, over, and it would be taken over by the East India Company with immediate effect, and the right of adoption was denied to the Indian rulers. So this was the two policies, indirect method of annexation, which was introduced by the subsidiary alliance, introduced by the Lord Wellesley, and doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, and these are the two examples of Britishers' cleverness. Okay, now I am ending my video. But before that, I want to tell you that whatever syllabus we have completed till today, only it will come in your examination. So need not to worry about rest of the syllabus. From Monday onwards, your revision tests are going to start. Planner I have given you yesterday. So plan your test, prepare your test according to that planner. Now we will meet on Monday with the revision video of GK. Okay. Now till then, goodbye.